This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make a special treat for you. It's 5-spice chicken wings with extra spices. So this is going to be a fantastic dish for you to make, especially to serve to your friends and family. So let's get started.
For this recipe, you need 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken wings and drumettes. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into the chicken wings. Then add a dash of sesame oil to bring out some fragrance and nutty flavor. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce or regular soy sauce. This will add some nice color as well. Add half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of Asian 5-spice powder. So Asian 5-spice powder has Sichuan pepper, so it's spicy. Additional ingredients you can add include a dash of onion powder. You can add a dash of garlic powder as well. This will add more of a Western flavor to the chicken wings. And also, if you like, add a bit of black pepper or white pepper. And finally, I like to add some natural pink Himalayan sea salt. This will give a lot of This will bring out the flavor in all the spices. So give the chicken wings a quick toss. You can save a few pennies with the regular parchment paper. Some people buy the pre-cut paper. So what I do is just twist the paper on all 4 corners. So this will form a pocket. So you can put your chicken wings in there and you don't have to clean the grill underneath. So spread the chicken wings over evenly on the parchment paper.
So for this chicken wings, I'm going to set it at preheat. And it's going to go for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So you can use broil if you like, or you can just air fryer. So preheat it so the air fryer is nice and hot inside. Then you put the chicken wings in.
You can turn the chicken wings over at the halfway mark, roughly 7 to 10 minutes. But turning the chicken wings over is optional. I like my chicken wings crispy on one side.
This chicken wing has been air fried for 15 minutes, so let's see how it is inside. So it's nicely cooked. Ooh, nice flavor. So cook right through the bone. You can cook it longer if you want. I'm going to cook it for extra couple minutes. And you look at the heat on that. Look at this. Look at the steam on that. So the chicken wings have been in the air fryer for about 18 minutes. Nice color. When you add the soy sauce, it gives it a nice color. So we're going to try a piece here. We're going to try a drumette. So what I usually do is just check the largest drumette to make sure it's cooked all the way through. So it's cooked all the way through. So about 15 minutes should be cooked. If you want it nicer on the skin, more crispy, go 18 to 20 minutes. Ooh, you gotta try this. So it's been about 20 minutes, and look at those chicken wings.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.
If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese Cooking Channel.